Day number 1 of our TinkerCAD project is to complete vocabulary. We want to make sure that these terms that we're going to define today, and we're going to look for some images and examples and non-examples of. We want to make sure that we all are on the same page and we understand these terms, because these are words that you're going to see come up throughout this design notebook and throughout your use of the TinkerCAD program. So today you're going to do the vocabulary, you're going to complete the Frayer model. As always, make sure that you don't just copy and paste your definitions. Put them into your own terms, words that you understand. The words that you're going to define and work with are tutorial, rotate, align, plane, polygon, cylinder, wedge, and duplicate. And our essential question through this, the question that we should have in the back of our minds, is what's the benefit of using 3D modeling software to create designs? And so we're going to learn some things through this project on kind of how to better use the TinkerCAD program. But how does that help us as engineers, as designers, just create designs? Why is a program like this useful? So at this point, let's pause the video and open up your design notebook. All right, we've got our TinkerCAD design notebook open. Again, you see the color coding. Blue is what you must do. Anything with the orange background is what you should do. And then anything that you see with the pink background is what you should aspire to do. So we are on day number 1. So you see the project plan. If I click on the bookmark here, that will drop me right down to the start of day number 1. Again, what is a benefit of using 3D modeling software to create designs? So as you start exploring TinkerCAD, how does that again benefit us? How does that help us as a useful tool when we create designs? So with the vocabulary, again, I mentioned this before, do not copy and paste your definitions. Make sure you write them in your own words. You're going to include an image that helps you better understand the term's meaning. Write 2 to 3 examples of the given term. This could be words that mean the same, like synonyms. It could be things that fit within this category, if it's a category. And then 2 to 3 non-examples of your given term. Again, words that mean the opposite, antonyms, or words that maybe don't fit into a particular category. So you see the terms down here. We have tutorial, rotate, align, plane, polygon. Then words that you should define and work through are cylinder, duplicate, and wedge. So let's go back up to the first one, tutorial. Best way is just to go to Google, just type in tutorial definition. When you type in that tutorial definition, something relating to a tutor or tutor's instruction, a period of instruction given by a university college tutor. It's really not quite what we're looking for, the definition, so I might need to click on Translate More Definitions. It doesn't really give me more definitions, so I'm going to explore further. Click on the definition of tutorial here. Now this is something, this makes sense to what we're doing right here. When I look at the dictionary definition, a paper, book, film, or computer program that provides practical information about a specific subject. Okay, so I want to put that into my own terms. So as a definition, I'm going to say a computer program, because that's the context that we are working through. Computer program that gives specific information about a topic. That's those words that I understand. If I want to go back to find an image of a tutorial, I can go back here, click on images. So if I'm looking for a computer program, I don't want just the word. I'm going to here, this is a person looking at a computer that's maybe going to kind of show what to do. So I'm going to click on this. I'm just going to choose right click with your mouse or double tap, choose copy image. I can go back to my design notebook and paste that image, and then I'm going to come up with some examples. Now sometimes this gets to be a little tricky, so if I go back here to Google, I could just do tutorial examples and see what comes up. I go back to all, get off of images, tutorial video examples right here. 10 great tutorial video examples. So this is talking about videos on how to help you get started on something. It talks about making a tutorial video being a great way to walk someone through a process, and that's exactly what we're talking about. So a lot of times videos, like this video that you're watching right now, is a tutorial. So I'm just going to go back here, examples. I'm just going to say instructional videos. That's an example, something that you're using right now. A non-example of a tutorial might be not something that shows you how to do something. I'm just going to say like a music video. A music video doesn't show me how to sing or how to dance. It could show you how to dance. One of those TikTok videos that you watch might teach you how to do a dance. But a music video itself, just watching a band sing, it's not really teaching me how to do something. So this is a computer program or a book or something that gives specific information kind of about a topic, kind of a how-to guide. There's another simple kind of definition that I added to my definition. Okay, so you're going to go back through the rest of these now, rotate, align, plane, polygon, cylinder, and duplicate, and wedge, and finish the Frayer models for those. If you have questions, please reach out to your teacher, but go ahead and complete the vocabulary. These are going to be terms that you are going to come back to throughout your exploration of the TinkerCAD program. Good luck.